Welcome to the 2025 iPhone Guide. Click. Today you'll discover hidden features most users never notice.
Feature 1 WEC, back tap. Just double tap the back of your iPhone to take screenshots or launch any app. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, back tap. Feature 2 Thumb, live voicemail. Watch the message appear in real time as someone leaves it. You can even pick up midway.
Feature 3 Plu, charging optimization 2025. Your iPhone now pauses charging at 80% in hot conditions to protect battery life. Feature 4 Impulse, hidden album lock. Hidden photos now need Face ID before opening. Turn it on under Settings, Have and Inject Photos.
Feature 5 Thumbprints. You no longer need to say, hey, just say Siri, pause, and speak your command naturally.
Bonus tip. Swipe down to use Spotlight Search. Instantly find messages, photos, or apps in seconds.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to How to Fix Stuff for more iPhone guides and hidden tips.